What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, I got a new car. So sitting next to me is my 2014 M6 Coupe. This is the F13 M6 with a twin turbo 4.4 liter V8 motor, and this thing is a beast. Now, if you're wondering what happened to the M3, well, the M3 sold about 3 to 4 weeks ago now, and it has a new home. I plan on showing you guys this car way more in depth and way more videos, so today is going to be short and quick. Basically, I was looking for cars for the past 4 months while my car was for sale. The M3 finally sold, and found this car in Chicago area. Me and a buddy flew out a couple weeks after the M3 sold, saw the car, liked the car, bought the car, and then drove the car back about 5.5 hours to Michigan, where we currently are sitting. This thing is absolutely awesome, and it's fit all of my criteria that I was looking for when I was looking to buy a new vehicle. I wanted something newer, meaning at least 2012 and up. I wanted something that'd be more, reliable. We're gonna have to fix a lot of stuff. Hopefully that's the case. Wanted something that looked cool. Wanted something that had a nicer interior than anything else I'd had before. Something that had a dual clutch transmission, which this does, and something different. And I wanted a white or black M6 coupe, and this one ended up being the closest one near me. Being white, the exact color I wanted, has black wheels. It does have the competition package, executive package, driver assist package, as well as the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is sick. I found one of those cars that is really a luxury rocket ship, and when I say that, I mean it. This thing is so smooth going through gears, it rips so fast, and is literally like riding on clouds. It is going to be the best rally vehicle I've ever been in, and I'm excited. I mean, there's massage seats, cooled seats, all of that great stuff, and it is so easy to upgrade the M6. I may have already done some stuff, but you'll see that in a video coming up soon. I am trying to crank out some more videos now, but finding time with work and school, a little difficult. And I'm excited to show you guys everything that happens with this car, the whole driving experience, anything that I don't like, stuff that I do like, and just have a ton of fun. With all that being said, I wanted to make this short and sweet, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're excited for all the upcoming videos. There's going to be some installs, some driving stuff. We have a rally coming up next month, and different car stuff in between. So hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.